Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to mass delete posts and comments on Reddit. So first you need to go to your Reddit, log into your account, and if you want to delete or mass delete posts and comments on Reddit, I will introduce to you this tool that can help you delete or mass delete your posts or comments. All you have to do is go to your Google Web Store and then click this one. Now, once you're here on your Google Web Store, you have to look for Nuke Reddit History and press enter. But somehow this tool isn't available anymore in Google Web Store, or if it is available, then it's not available in my country. However, there is alternative for that, which is this book delete Reddit post and comment history. All you have to do is to simply click add to Chrome and then add extension. Now it will download and you will see it at the top. Now what you're going to do is you have to go to extensions, and as much as possible you need to pin this one so that it would be easier for you to locate this. Once pinned, you can now go back to your Reddit, and then this time you have to click this tool. Now you need to log in or sign in or allow this to have access to your Reddit. So you need to log in. Now, this tool will help you delete the first 50 comments that you have here on your Reddit. So if you allow this tool to delete that, then all you have to do is to proceed. And as you can see, here is my account. I'm going to delete this one, yes. And as you can see, it's slowly deleting my comments and posts on my Reddit. So basically, that's it. That's how easy it is. So if you have more, then you just have to click it again, but I think this is just first 50 comments and post. So that's how easy it is to mass delete posts and comments on Reddit. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.